All right, another day at the office. Today is Saturday. So, as usual, I don't take break. Probably I don't have a life. But yeah, today brings a lot of things. So, yesterday, after I spoke to Kapil, I went home. So, couldn't take a lot of consultation calls. So, today I lined up all the calls in the first half itself. Plus, I'm also learning how to create shorts. I had no idea how to create shorts. So I was watching this video which teaches CapCut. Uh, there is this tool that helps you create shorts. Yesterday I hired one guy. I gave him a month of contract and asked him to create some 30 shorts for me with editing and subtitle and everything. Yeah, learning this thing to see how it goes. Thank you very much. And let's go ahead and so, what I have planned for the day is I have a few consultation calls from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m., then 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So, that's how long I'll be working. I was also thinking to record one more YouTube video for my channel. I wanted to like create a complete video on freelancing and agency in general, starting a service business. Uh, so, that I have to record. So, yeah, there's that. Exciting times ahead. So, I'll finish this and I'll finish that and I'll get. Thank you very much. All right. So, all work done for today. Consultations calls done, video edited, going to shoot. But now we are going to buy a new MacBook because this one is old. It has been what, 3 years now? 2 years? No, 3 years now. So that's fun. Let's go. Yo, you're here. Hello.
Perfect. Last time also when we were at Nagarjuna, we made.
Hey Jayant, what's up? New laptop, man.
Okay. Good. So yeah,
Working
all
so
that.
hard, and now you can work even harder with a faster computer.
Work faster now.
Yeah, work faster.
Yay! So this. This is the this is the same one like
M2, M2 Pro MacBook Pro.
so this is my favorite part where that hello screen comes.
Hello.
Yay! Yo, what is up, you beautiful people? I just finished my consulting calls, and right now I'm migrating data from this MacBook, old one, to this one. So, but what I really noticed is like, dude, look at the sound quality here. It's like so good, so good.
You don't have to manually move your documents, apps,